recognizing performability. This is very important when kailangan lang and the RNR. Kasi syempre, this is parang bonus na rin sa mga members na mag-work hard para sa chaplain. Chaplain makes the final decision. The father makes the yellow in chaplain, and he is the one who makes the final decision. Okay, that's it. Let's go number 6. Are there questions? Clarifications? No? Berlin. Okay, next reporter is Ate Brett. Confirmation.
Go, Berlin! Uy, napagod na yan si ano, palitan naman ninyo, kawawa naman yan, parang poste. Ronald! Palit!
Oh, may projector ako. Encoded yan. Kuya man. Palikod ka sa inyo. Ako ba? Ano ka sa nindo? Kuya.
Hello, Christine.
Joke lang.
Say hi.
Ako ka na hindi ko ka mga huga ko. Hindi. So, chapter 4, the formation program. Sabi ay, 3 areas of student development. Meron tayong ministry, formation, tsaka, sige kuya. Gusto ni kuya ng ano? Meron tayong ministry, formation, and organization. First, the ministry. So, the ministry is the service component of the organization. It refers to the specific works that the volunteers render to the church and the Ateneo community. Di ba meron na kayong ministries? Yun yung ministry. So, number 2, the works include serving as acolyte, performing as choir and readers in the various liturgical activities of the school and church. So, thus, under this category, 3 ministries are formed, namely the altar ministry, the music ministry, and the proclamation ministry. So, each ministry is supervised by ministry leader. The ML is elected by the regular members annually. So, sa altar ministry, ang ministry leader natin si Kuya Gian Carlo Infeliz. Ay, sa altar, sorry, sa MM. Sa MM si Gian, sa altar si Glenn, tapos sa proclamation si Lady. And the ministry demonstrates the specific mission of the organization to the school and the church in general. So therefore, every ministry is excited to prepare well so that the service they offer becomes meaningful and effective. Each regular volunteers is required to be part of particular ministry. Sino pa walang ministry dito? Oh, lahat naman. So both members of the altar and the proclamation ministries are ushers and usherettes of the chaplaincy that may serve as liturgical dancers. Magdadance kayo? Pag ganyan yung mga kunyari baccalaureate mass, yung iba sa atin magiging ushers and usherettes. Yan. So the proclamation ministry are in charge of the facilitation of the mass collections. So yung yung sa mass collections, yung proclamation ministry yung may duty doon. Formation. Sunod, formation. So, the formation component caters to the holistic development of each volunteer. Second, the Office of Chaplaincy is mandated to provide a formation program to the volunteers using